Three new feature in Photoshop. Number one, remove background. Okay, go to properties, remove background just in one click. Okay, see, I remove with this with one click. Okay, number two, camera raw. Okay, get started, click, adjust this color in camera raw. Okay, very easy and simple method in Photoshop. Okay, contrast, highlight 1%. Okay, wonderful. Shadow, increase the shadow. Okay, whiteness in blacks. Texture, for texture, increase the texture, and decrease and increase. Okay, 9%. Okay, slightly increase this 0. Okay, adjust this color in saturation you want. Okay guys, thanks for watching and subscribe. Goodbye.